Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a flashlight that is not turning on. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first, so without further ado, we're going to get right into this specific video. There are 5 specific things that I'm going to be telling you to try out, and hopefully one of them works for you. Now my flashlight over here is not turning on. As you can see, I can press the button and release it. It's not turning on. I can also press it and hold it. It's not turning on. Now, I'm pretty sure I know the reason why mine is not turning on, and I'll go over that later on. But yeah, I'm going to go over some of the things that you can try out if your flashlight is not turning on. So without further ado, we're going to start off with number one. Number one is charge the battery. If your flashlight has rechargeable batteries, if it has a rechargeable battery pack, if you can charge it up by, using a charging cord, whatever the case is, then charge the battery, okay? Because maybe that's the reason why it's not turning on. Maybe it's just simply not charged, okay? And that's the case with this one over here. These flashlights are pretty cool. They came in like a multi-pack, and you can put batteries in them, or they have a rechargeable battery pack. Now, this one, as far as I remember, this one should have a rechargeable battery pack in it. And my kids were playing around with the flashlight, and essentially I found it on the floor after they were done with it, and I just figured they finished playing with it, but I realized they finished playing with it probably because there's no more battery power in it. So I'm pretty sure that's the reason why this one's not working. I'm pretty sure I just have to recharge the battery and charge up the rechargeable battery pack, and it should work again. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why. So that's going to be my first thing that I try to do, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work, okay? But anyways, that's the first thing. Charge the battery if you can charge it. Very simple. Moving on to number two. Number two is replace the batteries. If your flashlight has batteries that can be replaced, replace the batteries, okay? Because you might think that maybe, should be enough battery power in those batteries, but guess what? Maybe those batteries went dead and maybe you didn't know it. Maybe someone left the flashlight turned on and it drained the batteries, right? So if you can replace the batteries, then replace them. Very simple. Try it out because that's going to be an easy solution. Hopefully it works for you. Moving on to the next one, which is number three. Number three is make sure the room brightness is not making you make a mistake. So you might think that the flashlight is not working, but in reality, you might be in a super bright room and maybe you just can't tell that it is working. So just make absolutely sure that the flashlight is not on, right? Maybe you turned it on, you're like, wait, it's not working. But in reality, maybe it's on, but you're just in a super bright room and you just can't see the fact that it's on. So make absolutely sure that it's actually not working, that it's actually not on. Especially if you're in a bright room, you want to make sure that it is actually not working before you just assume that it isn't working. So the room brightness might cloud your judgment because you might not be able to see the actual light that it's producing, depending on how bright the room is and the actual dimness or brightness or lack of brightness of the flashlight. Depending on the flashlight, and different flashlights have different settings, you can make them not as bright. So maybe you have it on a dim setting and maybe you're in a super bright room and then maybe you can't see the light, and that might make you think that the flashlight is not working when in reality it might actually be working. So just make sure the room brightness is not clouding your judgment, okay? Moving on to the next one, which is number four. Number four is press the power button well, okay? So if yours has a power button like this, you want to make sure you're pressing it well. Now, I didn't say press it hard. I didn't say press it aggressively. I just said press it well. So make sure when you're pressing, you're not just touching it lightly. Make sure you're giving it a good solid press. You can hear with this one that it makes a sound, okay? So based on that sound, I know that I'm clicking the button. So you want to go and just, see if there's something that allows you to know that you are pressing the button well enough. But make sure you're pressing the button well, and at least you can, rule that off and just rule that out and, cross it off the list and just say, that's not what's causing the problem. Okay, so make sure you're pressing the power button well. Last but not least is number 5. And number 5 is look for anything obviously problematic with the flashlight, okay? So you want to look for anything obviously problematic with the flashlight. Look at the flashlight, see if anything looks off. Maybe the battery cover, right? Like maybe the battery cover is not properly on there. Like maybe you can see it sticking out. Maybe it's missing a battery inside of it. Maybe it doesn't have a full battery. Maybe the battery pack, is flipped over. It's the wrong way. I don't know. Just look for anything problematic. Like maybe there's a huge opening somewhere. It looks broken. I don't know. Just look for anything problematic. And then you can either address it by maybe something you can look at yourself and maybe try and fix yourself if it's like missing a battery or if the battery pack is like flipped upside down or something. I'm not sure. If you feel comfortable addressing it yourself, then you can maybe address it yourself. yourself, maybe, you know, it's something simple. Like if it's missing a battery, hey, guess what? You might feel comfortable just putting a new battery in yourself. If the battery pack goes in like this one, I'll open it up as far as I know, but this one over here is a battery pack. So this is the rechargeable battery pack. You can see it's got right there, it's got the like a USB port on it over there. Let's say this was in the wrong way, right? Okay, I'll spin it around, no problem. So it's just something that, you know, you might feel comfortable addressing yourself, you know, and you can address it yourself if it's something that you feel comfortable doing, or maybe it's something you don't feel comfortable addressing yourself. And guess what? Then maybe you're gonna call a professional. I actually just realized, I feel like I was shocked right there, because I think I just realized there's a charging port on this part here. I never even knew that existed. That's crazy. I was literally turning it. I was like, what? You might have seen my reaction. Like if you rewind it, if you go back, you might see me like looking at it like, oh my gosh. Anyways, if you see, that's cool. That's great, actually. If you see something problematic with it, then, you know, that might be why it's not turning on. And you can either address it yourself if you feel comfortable doing it, or you can bring it to a professional, or you can at least you'll have knowledge. At the very least, you'll say, wow, that maybe is part of the problem of why it's not turning on. So at the very least, you might have some knowledge that will help you out, okay? It's very simple. You know, if you look for something problematic, and then you can basically take the steps that you want to take if you see something that's problematic on the flashlight. Very simple. And that's essentially it. Those are the things that you can try out. I've told you what is, I believe, wrong with this flashlight, why it's not turning on. I've told you the things that you can try out. Hopefully one of them works for you. And yeah, that's it. I think I really over-explained everything. So I really gave you so much information that hopefully you can use, and hopefully you can get your flashlight working once again, and turning on and working properly once again. Anyways, that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, you know, I really hope you enjoyed the video, but other than that, I've got nothing else. So for real, without further ado, we're gonna roll the outro. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. I feel like I'm blabbing on. So honestly, I'm not gonna say anymore. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but yeah, I've said that enough. I've got nothing else to say. So truly, I feel like I'm blabbing on. So truly, without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. And I'm in a parking lot. There's a whole bunch of people looking at me right now because I'm going like this. So I feel like it's a little bit awkward for me. So that's why I'm blabbing on. Anyways, I'm done talking for real. Not gonna say anything else. Without further ado, officially, I promise I'm done. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.